I've retrieved a metal sleeve from I've replaced all of these and cleaned them out as good as I possibly can. As you may notice, I've got changed. It is considerably later in the day. I have done the rear brake pads on both sides. Although you've only seen one side, I did do the other one as well. I've tried clearing the fault message on the dashboard, which says the brake pads are low, and it's still saying the same thing, which points to a faulty sensor. If the pads are worn low, it's going to damage the sensor, so I will pick one of those up and replace that as well. I've got some bolts on order for the inlet manifold, the 11mm. They're not an M6, but they're not an M8. So, are they M7? Is that a bolt size? Who knows? So I've actually got some on order. They should be here Tuesday, and then I can drop the cover back on the top of the engine. All that's left to do at the moment is check the oil level and run it up to temperature, and then it's good to go. I've even got the under trays back on, which is good because, quite simply, they've been off now since we serviced the gearbox, which has been about 2 months. Welcome back. This is another day because obviously I've had to go and get some parts. I've got 2 pollen filters, an absolutely massive air filter and the brake pad sensor. So I'll get them fitted. We'll see if we can clear all the faults and reset the pollen filter and the air filter on the dashboard, so it should take maximum mileage again. BMW, what were you thinking? All that has to come off just to change the air filter. Ridiculous. No wonder no one changes them. And all the bolts that are in them as well. Nope. No thank you. Right, moment of truth. Bring. God, I hate that noise. We're going to press and hold it till the exclamation mark goes. And then we're going to press and hold it again. Reset. Press it. Press and hold it, sorry. That should go down to like a good number now. Good number should appear. No. Fingers crossed. Nope, still got a problem. I was reading some posts online last night and people said that it took 4 attempts or multiple ignition cycles to be able to clear that rear brake pad fault. It's worked. I've now got no brake pad warning light.